one person viewing. Oh, Plasma Storm. Hi, how you doing? By the way, the transport's pretty much automatic, and one other thing that is automatic, if I just switch second display on, if anyone buys me a coffee, this is what happens. So
squirrel! Yeah, squirrel, and it changes my voice. Fortunately for me, I can't be off-put by the voice, but it changes it for a few seconds and goes back.
Hi, Andy. Let's close that down. And computer, start FT8.
Starting FT8 system.
My computer's voice control, if you didn't notice.
FT8 system ready.
Squirrel! There you go. Now my voice has gone funky.
That should have come up over the top of the camera. Oh, thanks for the donation. Now it works. Start calling. While that's going, I'll show you a couple of other things that I've got set up. Obviously, you know about the transporter. Halfway through the transporter, it cuts my voice off until it comes back halfway. So, beam me up.
Energizing.
Okay, I should have said beam me down. You know. Yeah, it's taken me quite some time to get that transporter working, so it literally works for a live stream. The unfortunate part is the case that I can't do it also with an automatic transition to another scene. Not yet, I'll get there. I can also replace the second screen with another camera, or I can even bring up Discord, so I can actually have guests from Discord and have them in the stream. Now I've got the Discord active with the headphones off, so if anyone wants to jump into my Discord, they can just head over to the general chat and say hello. I'll attempt to bring them onto the screen at the same shortly after. Yeah, unfortunately at the moment, my propagation isn't good enough to do voice, and my CW is currently non-existent. So FT8 is my only way of getting signals out. Oh, VE session, that's more important than coming on the stream. Don't worry about that, Plasma. I'm actually surprised my broadband's coping with this. A few of the checks I did where I kept them private, the broadband was just kept packing in. So, at the end of the day, I thought, stuff it, if I don't go live now, I never will. Good on me. This should be over here, surely. Now, I've got no idea where my avatar's gone. Try a different camera. Hey, Shaq and Greg. How's it going? I seem to have about 10 to 12 second delay at the moment, so. He's not that bad. Oh, I'll be back in just 1 second. Computer, beam me up.
Energizing.
Right, on this one where I've got two cameras, the small camera needs to be transported while the big one stays on. And that was also another difficult one. I'll swap them two cameras around. Wrong one. I was trying to remember which camera was where. As I say, the small picture needs to use the transporter, but the large one needs to be stay on, because if I'm doing something like soldering stuff or something like that, I can transport out, but I don't want to transport what I'm doing out. Yeah, I think once more for Plasma Storm. Beam me up.
Energizing.
Let's try the other time slot for a bit. Old gang? Oh. There's still a couple of them missing. But on the bright side, we've not got hit by that bot yet. Hopefully my channel's too small for them to bother with. It says 20 meters should be up, so let this lot finish through. Make sure no one grabs me at the last second. No one ever lines up where you'd expect. Ooh, turkey. It's be a good one if I get it. Just noticed something else missing. what would you like to actually see me do on the live stream? I'm planning to go live at 5 p.m, but I'm not sure on which day yet. So you have to let me know which day and what you'd like me to cover. You know, if you just want more FT8, let me know. Hope it's a good session for you, Plasma. Hope he's learned everything he needs to learn, or she's learned. 73 Plasma. Still got a couple of bugs to work out, but I think while I get on with them, let's call it a day and catch you on the air.